Are you someone who conducts research and saves links as a reference for ideas or inspiration that can help you be more productive? Kurator offers a better way to curate, organize, and share your research online. The frustration of missing out on something good or great has now been completely resolved through Kurator. With Kurator, you can swipe or save content, be it a blog post, news article, social media post, webmail, or a page in any online document and notes manager. No more wasted time, and never again will great information pass you by. You can instantly click, comment, organize, and save your ideas anytime and anywhere on the web. What sets Kurator apart is its ability to help you organize and reorganize access to information until it's optimized. Imagine if your research and your idea on how to organize it are changing all the time. Kurator comes in and not only helps you find information easily, but you can also effortlessly move links around between project folders until you get it right. Kurator is also the authoring tool for our Content Hub solution, where you can publish selected folders as independent channels to your website to help your employees and customers find information in context. Here are some powerful applications for Kurator: to save time looking for information, to collaborate researching for topics with others, to power your curated newsletter, for building engaging marketing hubs that engage users, to build and manage responses to dialogue flow chatbots, and so much more. Download Kurator today and grow your brand.